In the world of campervans, the latest sensation is a stunning conversion that perfectly captures the essence of beach shack vibes, designed for unforgettable coastal adventures. This campervan, a masterpiece of design and functionality, offers a unique blend of comfort and style, making it an ideal choice for those looking to explore the great outdoors without sacrificing the charm of a beachside retreat. The exterior of the campervan features a sleek, modern design with a vibrant color scheme that immediately evokes images of sunny days by the ocean. Its compact size ensures easy maneuverability, making it perfect for navigating both urban environments and rugged coastal roads. Large windows offer panoramic views, enhancing the connection with nature and providing plenty of natural light. Inside, the campervan is a haven of relaxation and practicality. The interior design is inspired by classic beach shacks, with a contemporary twist. The use of natural materials, such as wood paneling and woven textiles, creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The layout is thoughtfully arranged to maximize space, featuring a cozy sleeping area, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a compact but functional bathroom. The sleeping area boasts a comfortable bed with ample storage underneath, ensuring that travelers have plenty of space to stow away their gear. The kitchenette is equipped with modern appliances, including a stove, refrigerator, and sink, allowing for easy meal preparation on the go. The bathroom, though compact, includes a shower, toilet, and vanity, offering all the conveniences of home. One of the standout features of this campervan is its versatility. It is equipped with advanced off-grid capabilities, including solar panels and a high-capacity battery system, ensuring that adventurers can enjoy extended trips without the need for constant access to electricity. Additionally, the van's insulation and climate control systems provide comfort in a variety of weather conditions, from hot summer days to cooler coastal evenings. The campervan's design also emphasizes outdoor living. A retractable awning provides shade and shelter, creating the perfect outdoor space for dining or relaxing. Portable furniture, such as foldable chairs and tables, can be easily set up to enhance the outdoor experience. The vehicle's exterior storage compartments are ideal for carrying surfboards, kayaks, or other adventure gear, making it an excellent choice for active travelers. This campervan is not just a mode of transportation, it is a lifestyle choice. It embodies the spirit of adventure and the desire for freedom, allowing travelers to explore new destinations at their own pace while enjoying the comforts of home. Whether parked by a serene beach, nestled in a forest, or overlooking a breathtaking mountain vista, this campervan offers a unique and memorable way to experience the beauty of nature.